Hi, my name is Priyank Patel and I am working as a senior WordPress engineer at Multidots. And today in this video, we are going to talk about taxonomies. Also, we will cover a part how to migrate taxonomies from Sitecore to WordPress. So first of all, what is taxonomy? So taxonomy basically is used to categorize posts or blogs or articles, whatever we can say. But it is basically used to categorize all these things. Categories or taxonomies will look like this inside core. So inside core, we can create new taxonomies. We can manage the existing taxonomies. We can assign taxonomies. We can import, export taxonomies and all the things. We can do it over there, right? But we will focus more on the migration script and WordPress on this video, because this is ultimately all about migration from Sitecore to WordPress. This is the taxonomies in Sitecore, how it will look, and here is a documentation about importing and exporting the packages from Sitecore. So first of all, whenever we are migrating a Sitecore website on top of WordPress, what will be needed? So the obvious answer is XML file or the exported XML. So we have two ways for the same thing, like to how to get an exported XML file. So we can ask our customer to create credentials for us, so we can go into the dashboard of Sitecore and we can get exported XML file for the data ourselves. Or if not, then we can suggest or we can guide our clients to export the files. Like if they are not aware of how to export the files, then we will guide them step by step how to do the same process. Here is also our documentation about how to export content from the Sitecore dashboard. So here few of the screenshots are also available. You can go through the same process and you can export the files by yourself. Then comes the migration part. But before I cover the migration script, would just explain how the taxonomies and terms will work in WordPress. So here, this is a post type called posts, and the taxonomy over here is categories and tag. So you can see the URL over here. So for the tag, it's taxonomies post tag, and if I click on categories, you can see the taxonomies category. Whenever a migration script at Multidots, we have developed the migration script from Sitecore to WordPress, and we customize it as per the client's requirement too. But basically, how will it work? Let me just explain it. So first of all, it will go through each and every post from the XML file. It will create the post. It will look for the taxonomies and terms. If the taxonomy and term is existing, then it will assign the term to particular post. If the post or if the term or taxonomy is not existing under WordPress, then it will create the one and then assign. And how will the taxonomies terms will look in WordPress? So here is an example of category. So this is one term under category taxonomy. This one is a parent category, I can say, and this one is a child category. And here you can see the slug of the terms, and here how many posts are assigned this particular category. So you can see the parent category is not having any post assigned, but the child category has one post assigned to it. And if I click on this, we can see the posts as well of that particular categories. We can also create custom post types. Like this is a custom post type called movies, and here is a custom taxonomy called movie year that we have created. Right. So similarly, as per the client's requirement or as per the script's requirement, we can create all these things. So we will give all these links in the description box below. So you can refer, even it is covering other parts as well, not only the export, how to export content from Sitecore. It covers all the things, like it's basically a case study. So you can go through this documentation. We will give the link in the description box. I think it will be helpful. To wrap up, I think we concluded, we have covered it, taxonomies in Sitecore, taxonomies in WordPress site, as well as we understood what is taxonomy. That was an example of how Multidots works on migration project. If you have any doubt or any questions, please reach out to us at multidots.com/contact-us. Thank you very much.